hotel and restaurant management cook ako. And then I stopped. Kasi parang sabi ko, yung food industry hindi para sa akin. Either, dalawa lang pwede mangyari sa akin. Either makakapatay ako or ako mapapatay. Kasi, I don't believe on, I don't believe in customers always right. Pag alam kong mali ka, hindi ko talaga kukonsintihin yun. Actually, vegan food is more easier now and mas malaki yung maganda yung impact sa katawan natin. It's more healthy, no cholesterol, and it's good to our body, sa environment, and also sa animals. Actually, there are a lot of struggles na dinaanan ko bago kami na-establish kahit papaano. First is, sobrang hirap i-introduce sa mga tao. Of course, ang plant-based, iba siya kaysa sa nakasanayan natin. So, those are one of the major issues, struggle. And also, ang pag-source ng mga ingredients. But now, thankfully, very accessible na siya sa market lahat. Hi, I'm Alex Bondok, founder and owner ng Wild Thyme Philippines. Wild Thyme is na-establish siya noong 2021 after pandemic. And just to give you a brief history ng Wild Thyme, nag-start kami as a concessionaire sa isang company in Makati, sa isang BPO. And they would like us to introduce yung mga plant-based and vegan foods sa mga employees since after the pandemic. So they want their employees to be healthy. And then doon siya nag-start. And then nagkaroon ulit ng quarantine and nag-move na kami dito sa Bulacan. And yun, that's basically the history ng Yeah, basically yung Wild Thyme, dapat ang magiging names niya is medyo crazy siya. Bago kami nag-came up sa talagang Wild Thyme na medyo decente ng konti. Dapat ang magiging name namin is Wild Talong, Crazy Petchay, ganon. So baka hindi kami seryosohin. So since medyo adventurous ako, I like traveling and sa food din. So, and one of my favorite herbs is thyme. So, yun, doon siya nag-start. So it's wild thyme siya. It's wild plant herbs that you can use doon sa mga food mo. Mm-hmm. Currently, we offer vegan frozen food, like yung mga Filipino dishes like caldereta, menudo, bistek Tagalog, something like that. And also, we do freshly cooked food every Sunday naman siya. We offer that and pwede sila mag-free order if they want fresh cooked every Sunday. Sa Wild Time naman, ang mga best seller namin is, number one is the caldereta. The caldereta is a must try. Ang Bistek Tagalog, beef stroganoff, and kare-kare. Dito sa Bulacan, usually ang mga naging customer namin are non-vegan. And also the vegan community. Sila yung mga major customer namin sa mga product namin. Yes, nung una, actually, she's one of the commissioners sa government agency, and nung una hesitant siyang umorder sa amin ng mga product namin. And nung pinatry ko sa kanya yung Bistek Tagalog, doon na nag-start. And now, every other week na siya nag-order sa amin, and batch yun, baon ng anak niya, baon niya pag pumapasok. And actually, yun isa sa mga memorable na naging experience ko with my customers. One of the advantage ng vegan or plant-based food is, of course, more healthier than the traditional food natin. And aside from that, ang impact niya sa environment and sa health is also good. And that's actually the major pagiging ng vegan food and plant-based. Wala akong background. Actually, hotel and restaurant management cook ako. And then I stopped. Kasi parang sabi ko, yung food industry hindi para sa akin. Either, dalawa lang pwede mangyari sa akin. Either makakapatay ako or ako mapapatay. Kasi, I don't believe I don't believe in customers always right. Pag alam kong mali ka, hindi ko talaga kukonsintihin yun. So I stopped. Then I worked sa business intelligence sa corporate world. And then, bumalik na lang ako nung nag-vegan ako kasi sabi ko, I have to cook my own food. Otherwise, magugutom ako. And then, that's for my personal use lang. And then, nung nagtayo kami ng resort sa Zambales, so ginawa naman naming vegan concept siya, vegan resort siya. And then, dun sa resort na yun, so since we serve vegan food, sabi ko, wala kaming food. So kailangan ko talaga matuto, mag-practice at magluto talaga ng mga vegan food to serve para yung mga customer namin kasi yun yung concept namin. So dun siya out of habit na lang siya and passion. Passion sa food. And after nun, nung pag sinishare ko yung mga food namin, madami nakaka-appreciate. Sabi, bakit di ka magtayo ng restaurant or something like that? Benta mo to. And dun siya basically nag-start. Noong una, medyo hesitant ako kasi syempre, di naman ako sanay. And ayoko nga. And yun, dun siya basically nag-start. Hanggang sa nag-open kayo ng resort sa Zambales. 11 years now sa vegan. 11 years. Tapos, nag-start ako, sobrang hirap. Like, puro vegetables lang talaga. Walang available na sausage, walang available na pizza, walang burger. Ayun, ganun. Talagang deprived ka, walang tocino. Oo. So, nung may mga nag-launch ng mga tocino, una parang medyo hesitant pa ako kainin kasi yung itsura niya, yung texture niya, parang tocino na and the taste is tocino. I remember when I had my first bite ng burger, sabi ko, talagang umiyak ako kasi sabi ko, shit, akala ko hindi na ako makakatikim ng burger kasi vegan ka di ba? So, yun, tapos nung nakatikim ako, sabi ko, oh my God, parang nag-flashback yung memories ng mga burger, the taste, yun. So now it's super ready na siya sa market, yeah. Ang kulang na lang is education talaga. Awareness and education sa mga tao, yeah. Yeah. All about tofu naman, we serve basically all tofus and with different sauces. Baga tinweak lang namin yung naging viral na tofu square. So ginawa lang namin siyang plant-based. Since every time na pumunta ako ng Bencheto, wala akong makain doon. So sabi ko, nung na-offer sa amin yung spot, sabi ko, okay, bakit hindi ako mag-serve ng plant-based, something different naman na pwedeng kainin ng vegan, ng vegetarian, and non-vegan as well, na may enjoy nila yung tofu, yung plant-based food with different kinds of sauces, like yung creamy pesto, alaking, yan, Japanese curry, that's it. One of our best sellers sa All About Tofu is yung creamy pesto at saka yung alaking. Yun yung mga best seller namin talaga. You can find us, yung Wild Time you can find us at Facebook sa Wild Time Philippines, and also in our Instagram. You can message us para sa mga orders nyo. And sa All About Tofu naman, you can find us sa Bancheto, Malolos, next to Malolos City Hall, every Wednesday to Sunday from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Hello guys, I'm inviting you to try some healthy foods na pwede nyo kainin araw-araw na hindi mako-compromise yung nakasanayan nating pagkain. Try Wild Time Philippines, mga vegan food like caldereta, menudo, asado, bistec, name it, we have it for you and we will cook it for you. And let's try vegan food.